Yeah. Mm-hmm. When the one that I'm with ain't the one that I want. Don't wanna fight for my love. I wanna unite in front. I'm an alpha and I need an alpha man. Needing to understand there's power in that tongue. So speak to my heart, babe. Speak to the queen in me. Though we might disagree, don't say nothing you don't mean. Know when to walk away, when I'd rather let you stay. Gently put me in my place. Leave when I need some space. Want you to make me forget. Please can you make me forget? I want you to make me forget anything for you. It didn't feel like this, and we already know that we both need to grow. So if we grow apart, it's cause it's about control. As long as you keep me safe, I can love you with grace. But it's not a mistake, but it's one that you constantly make. Don't break my trust, babe. Love over husband. I'm not ashamed to admit that I'm insane for you. I just can't walk away when I know that I'd rather stay and live. When I need my space, won't you to
There you go. No coffee. What is this? No coffee at all. It just spilled all over the place. Yeah.
no coffee, and it works perfect. Says to add water and it's full.
Love it. I absolutely love it.